many people write to me and ask, like, how much should I pay myself as a business owner, or how to figure it out?
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Is there a way to do that? Is there a structured way to figure that out?
It's kind of interesting because when you're a small business, you and your business are so intertwined, right? If your business is doing well, you're doing well. If your business isn't doing well, you're not doing well. So it's really a matter of if you don't want to be shortchanging anybody to the extent that you can, right? So I see a lot of business owners and their lifestyle is like here. You know, they want to drive nice cars and they want to live in a nice place. And so their business is doing well, but they're pulling a lot of money out of the business to support their lifestyle. And if the business can't support it, you're basically robbing from your business for lifestyle, which means you're not doing well with your business. If you could dial back your lifestyle for a little while and really let your business fly, I mean, you could probably live better than you even imagined. You know, you're probably living up here, right?
Yeah.
So it's always that careful balance of being sure not to rob your business, leaving enough capital in your business to be able to cash flow so you're not having to incur a ton of debt. And that you can make the big assaults that you want to make, you know, the big new marketing campaign or the software you need to buy or the new person that you want to bring on, to be really careful to balance that with lifestyle. It gets a little harder with more established people. I see it's more difficult when you're somebody like me. I'm 43, I have 3 kids, I'm accustomed to a certain lifestyle. It's not even that, but it's just, you know, I mean, kids eat food, they go to school, they wear through their shoes, right? As opposed to a young guy who can pull a Mark Cuban and sleep on somebody's couch for a couple of years. So it's always that careful balance. Now, when you pay yourself, you always want to track that. So the very important thing is that you're not commingling your personal and your business expenses. So a lot of times business owners are notoriously terrible at this. You know, they'll have their business debit card and their personal debit card, and they don't have any money in their personal account, and they're at the grocery store, so they use their business debit card. You know, or maybe they're paying their wife's car payment out of the business account. You know, when you do that, you're messing up your numbers, right? You don't really know what's going on in your business. If you got the whole thing, just, I call it spaghetti. It's all like spaghetti together and you don't know what's going on in your business. So keep that stuff really separate. And when you pay yourself, you know, and one of the best measures of how well your business is doing is if you can pay yourself a fair salary for what you bring to the business. So if you're the CEO of your business, what do CEOs in your industry make generally? And if you can pay yourself that salary out of the business and have the business continue to be healthy and continue to be operating, you have a viable business. That's a business that you can step out of, you can sell. That's something that's set up to sell. So that's really what you're looking for, because then everything after that is your bonus for owning the business, for being the guy smart enough to make this, you know, come up with this business and run this business in a way that it pays its CEO and it throws off a profit. So your goal is always to strike that balance. And for a lot of entrepreneurs, in the beginning, it means dialing back the lifestyle so that you don't have to pay yourself as much, so you can give your business really room to grow and develop.